If you have a bunch of cherry tomatoes from your garden, you have to make this cherry tomato gnocchi. This really is one of the best gnocchi or pasta dishes that I have had in a while. My husband said he definitely wants to have this one again and again. So as soon as we have enough cherry tomatoes from the garden, I'm going to be making this one again. Of course, they don't have to be garden fresh. You can use this with any cherry tomatoes that you have, but it's just such a great use for your ones from the garden. The sun-dried tomato oil adds a lot of flavor, and we're also going to use sun-dried tomatoes. Right into the pan on medium heat, a little bit of oil, however much you like. I'm going to add 2 sausages. You can add 4 if you like, if you want more protein. I'm going to cook those down and crumble them down for the sauce. I'm going to add in the cherry tomatoes now because they do take a little while to cook down. I find they're really hard to cut, so I just chop them up with my kitchen scissors. Then I'm gonna add in the sun-dried tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, 1, 2, 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'm cooking up 500 grams of mini gnocchi, but you can use any pasta noodle you like if you don't like gnocchi. I'm gonna save just a little bit of pasta water. Throw that into the sauce. Add the gnocchi in. This might not be traditional, but I like to add 1 tablespoon of a really nice quality balsamic vinegar. It just adds so much flavor. Fresh oregano or basil if you have it. Season with salt and pepper. Make it rain with Parmigiano-Reggiano. Now, I would say this would serve about 4 people, especially if you added 4 sausages in it, but the serving sizes are a little bit small if you are dividing it into 4, so just make sure you have a really big side salad or like a little bit of an appetizer or something to go with it if you are planning to, oops, sorry about the camera, if you are planning to have people over and serve this. It kind of made around 3 portions for us is what we were finding, but then again, I only used 2 of the Gardein vegan sausages in this. So yeah, I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this recipe. Honestly, can't wait to eat this again, and make sure you hit like and subscribe for more videos like this one.